Hey everybody, and welcome back to Fluent English Power. I'm Luna, and as always, it's great to have you here.
And I'm Mason. Honestly, I'm just happy to be back, Luna, and happy to be here with all our listeners.
Hey Mason, this is our third day of our English-speaking journey.
Oh yeah, I know, this is our third day of English speaking journey.
By the end of this video, you will confidently speak English about yesterday.
It's great to see you too, Mason. How are things going today?
I'm doing really well, actually. Thanks. I had a super quiet and productive morning. How about you?
Ah, that sounds perfect. I'm wonderful, thank you. My morning was good too, just easy, no stress.
A quiet morning is usually a good sign, right?
It really is. And speaking of my morning, that's actually in the past now. And that is, drumroll please, our topic for today.
Oh, that's a brilliant topic, the past. Talking about things that are already done, things that happened before this moment.
Exactly, like yesterday, or maybe last week, or even just what you did this morning. It's absolutely essential for any real English conversation.
Yeah, it is. But hey, hold on one second before we jump into the past. Let's stay in the present for a quick moment.
Good idea. So to all our fantastic listeners, if you're enjoying our style, please just take 2 seconds to click that like button right now.
And please subscribe to Fluent English Power and share this episode with friends or family who are learning English. It really makes a huge difference for us.
Yes, thank you guys so much for all your support. Okay, Luna, are you ready to officially travel to the past?
I am ready. So the past, when we talk about something that is finished, we have to use slightly different words.
The to be family, was and were.
That's right. Let's start with the most basic change, which is the verb to be. We'll look at was.
Was, yes, it comes from am and is, right? So today I am happy, but yesterday I was happy.
Perfect example. Am and is both switch to was. So I can say, today the weather is sunny. Mason, what was the weather like yesterday?
Yesterday, the weather was cloudy.
Ah, I see. So is for now, was for the past. What about location? Like, where were you yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening. I was at home.
At home. And I can say, I was at the supermarket yesterday.
Right. So I am at the supermarket for now, and I was at the supermarket for yesterday.
Yes, exactly. It's super simple. You just swap that one word.
It is simple. But what if we're talking about more than one person? Are, it's plural.
Great question. Are changes to were, W-E-R-E. So you were here yesterday too.
Were. Okay, got it. So we are happy today, and we were happy yesterday.
You've got it. Am and is become was, are becomes were.
Let's try it. Luna, where were you last Saturday?
Last Saturday, I was at the park.
Oh, nice. Was it fun?
Yes, it was fun. The park was beautiful and many people were there.
Oh, that's great. Many people were there. Perfect use of were.
Thank you. So what about you, Mason? Where were you last weekend?
Last weekend, I visited my family, so I was at my parents' house.
That's lovely. Were your parents happy to see you?
Yes, they were very happy. We were all together. It was a wonderful day.
That sounds so nice. Family time is the best time, you know?
So, listeners, remember, was and were are for describing states or locations in the past. Like, I was tired, they were at the cinema, or the food was good.
Regular actions, the magic of ED.
Okay, that's great for to be, but what about actions, things we do, like walk, talk, or cook?
Ah, yes, action words or verbs. For most verbs in English, we just add ed at the end to talk about the past.
ED, so walk becomes walked.
Exactly. So today I walk in the park. Yesterday I walked in the park. See? Simple.
Yes. Okay. Today I talked to Luna. Yesterday I talked to my friend on the phone.
Perfect. You're a natural, Mason.
This is fun. Okay, another one. Watch. Like I watch TV in the evening. So for yesterday, I would say,
You would say, I watched TV last night.
good job. What did you watch?
I watched a movie. It was a comedy.
Oh, fun. Did you laugh?
Yes, I laughed a lot. Laugh becomes laughed.
Yes, you are totally discovering the secret. So many common words just need ed. Cook becomes cooked, clean becomes cleaned, play becomes played.
Okay, let me try a little story. Yesterday morning, I walked to the cafe. I listened to music on my headphones.
That's great. Listened. Perfect. What happened at the cafe?
I waited in line, then I ordered a coffee.
Waited, ordered, yes. Very good.
Thank you. This ED is super useful. So, Mason, what did you do last night?
Last night, let me think. I cooked dinner for my friend.
Oh, that's so nice of you. What did you cook?
I cooked chicken and vegetables. My friend liked it a lot.
Liked, another ED word. That's fantastic. It seems pretty straightforward.
It is. With a little practice, it becomes totally automatic. But there is one small challenge, right?
Oh, a challenge. I know you like challenges.
I do. So some verbs are special. They are irregular. They don't use ed.
Irregular, so they change in a different way.
Yes, they change completely. For example, the verb go. Today I go to work. We don't say goed.
Goed. It sounds a little bit funny. So, what is the past of go?
The past of go is went. W-E-N-T.
Went. Okay. So, yesterday I went to work.
Exactly. Let me ask you, where did you go last summer?
Ooh, last summer I went to the beach.
The beach, wonderful. I also went to the beach last year.
It's a popular place. Okay, so go becomes went. What's another common irregular verb?
A very common one is eat. Today I eat an apple. Yesterday,
Not eated. Maybe ate?
yes, you got it, ate. Yesterday I ate an apple.
Fantastic. So last night you cooked dinner. Did you eat with your friend?
Yes, we ate together. We ate the chicken and vegetables.
That's nice. And I can say, for breakfast today, I ate toast.
Perfect. So let's connect them. Last Saturday, you went to the park. What did you eat in the park?
I ate a sandwich. I also drank water.
Oh, is drink irregular too?
It is. What do you think the past of drink is? Drank?
Yes. Wow, Luna, you are so good at this.
Thank you, Mason. So go is went, eat is ate, see is saw, have is had, take is took, buy is bought, come is came.
That is a fantastic list. And for most other action words, just add ed. Walked, played, watched, cooked, and don't forget was and were, like I was happy, they were at home.
Exactly. Wow, Mason, we covered a lot today. I feel like our listeners have some great new tools now to talk about the past.
I think so too. It was a very helpful conversation. I learned a lot myself.
Me too. It's always good to practice. Well, our time for today is almost finished. That went by fast.
It really did. So, to all our amazing listeners, now it's your turn to practice.
Yes, we have a question for you, and we would absolutely love for you to answer in the comment section below.
The question is, what did you do last weekend?
You can write something simple. I went to the park, or I watched a movie, or I ate pizza with my family.
Yes, tell us a little bit about your past weekend. We love reading your comments and seeing you practice your English.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English Power so you don't miss our next episode. And please share this podcast with anyone who is learning English.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you for listening today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun talking about the past with you. See you next time.
Goodbye for now, and tell me in the comment box, what do you like most?